Hello, my friends. Welcome to Panda Learning Chinese and Learn Chinese with Miss Jenna. Last class, we were talking about the numbers from 1 to 10. Are you still remember that? Good. Let's see how we're going to see the numbers. Let's go over it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10，非常好。And today we're going to use these numbers to talk about our age. Okay, the new word for today is the word 岁. 岁 means years old. If you are 1 year old, we use the number E plus the word 岁. 1岁 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 is 1 year old. 很好 1岁 If you want to tell your friend, I'm 1 year old, you put E in the sentence. Now you can say 我1岁我1岁 But 2 years old, you put word 2 2岁 Normally, we say 2岁 We use a different words for 2. We say 2岁我2岁我2岁了 I'm 2 years old. If you are 3 years old, you put the words 3 in the sentence. Then you say 我3岁了我3岁了 How about 4 years old? 非常好 You put number 3 here. You put the 4 4 in the sentence. I'm 4 now. 我4岁了我4岁4岁 4 years old. Some friends already 5. Then you need to pick up the word 5 5. Then you tell your friend to say 我5岁 or 我5岁了很好我5岁了 Do we have friends 6 years old? 6 years old, we put the word 6 in the sentence. 你可以说我6岁了我6岁了非常好 Friends probably ask me, how about 7 years old? What do you think? When you find the number 7, put in the sentence. 7岁. Then you tell your friend, 我7岁. 我7岁. Or you can say, 我7岁了. I do have friends 1 year older, which is 8岁. 8岁. You put number 8 in the sentence and you will see 我8岁了. 我8岁. 非常好. Next age is number 9. 9 years old. So 9, we call that 9. 9岁. 9岁, 9 years old. 9岁. You're right. You see, 我9岁. 我9岁. 9岁了. 我9岁了. The last number we learned is 10. 10. 10 years old. We say 10岁了. 我10岁了. 我10岁了. 非常好. So today we learned the word 岁. 岁. In English, years old. If you're 1 year old, it is 1岁. 2 years old, 2岁. But we use different words for 2岁. We say 2岁. 2岁. 我2岁. 3 years old, 3岁. 3岁. 4 years old, 4岁. 4岁. 5 years old, 5岁. 5岁. 6 years old, 6岁. 6岁. 7. 7岁. 7岁. 8. 8岁. 8岁. 9. 很好. 9岁. 9岁. 10 years old. 10. 10岁. 10岁. Now you learn to tell people your age. Let's do it again. Just talk about your age, okay? 我 means I. 我1岁. 我2岁. 我3岁. 我4岁. 我5岁. 我6岁. 我7岁. 我8岁. 我9岁. 我10岁. 很好，很棒。 You know how to tell people your age. When people ask you, how old are you? They use the sentence, 你几岁了? Or 你几岁? Or you can use the sentence, ask your friend, how old are you? 你几岁? Or 你几岁了? 你几岁 is a 3 word. 你几岁了 4 word. 你几岁了? How old are you? 你几岁了，小朋友? How old are you, my friend? 你几岁? 非常好. Now, let's ask my friend here, how old are they? Okay? We have some little friends, animal friend. Do you want to know how old is 小鸡? What are you going to say? 你几岁了，小鸡? 你几岁了，小鸡? 小鸡 is 1 year old. What she is going to tell you? She will say, 我1岁. 我1岁. 小鸡1岁. 很好. We have another friend. 小猫. 小猫. How old are you, 小猫? In Chinese, we say, 你几岁了，小猫? 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 小猫 is 3 years old. Then 小猫 is going to say, 我3岁. 我3岁. 小猫3岁. I have another friend here. 小鱼. 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 How old are you? 你几岁了，小鱼? 你几岁了，小鱼? 小鱼 is 5 years old. What she's going to tell you? She's going to say, 我5岁. 我5岁了. 小鱼5岁了. Another friend. One more friend. 小狗. 小狗. How old are you, 小狗? In Chinese, we say, 你几岁了，小狗? 你几岁了，小狗? 小狗，你几岁? 小狗 is 6 years old. 小狗 is going to tell you, 我6岁. 我6岁. 小狗6岁. 小狗6岁了. When you celebrate a friend's birthday, you can sing a happy birthday song to them. Okay? Here is the song in Chinese. We put this 6 word in the song Happy Birthday. 祝你生日快乐, which means wish you birthday happy. 祝你生日快乐.
祝你生日快乐。祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday to you, Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you.
That's it for today. I wish you learned something. 跟 Miss Jenna 说再见。See you next time.